Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, initializing variables with the assignment operator. It is common to initialize a variable to an initial value in the same line as it is declared. So instead of first declaring and then assigning a value to a variable, we can do all this in the same line by giving initial value to a variable during declaration like this. Here var myvar equal to 0. So a myvar named variable is declared and assigned the value of 0. This is called initialization. Creates a new variable called myvar and assign it an initial value of 0. The task for this challenge: define a variable a with var and initialize it to the value of 9. So in this case, var a equal to 9 and semicolon to terminate the command. Terminate this statement. So run the test and it's successful. Download my solution and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.